To come back to another bumbo clock reaction. I don't know. Last time my last reaction ain't so active, cause I don't know the dog ain't so active. Did feel, you see me? I mean they don't react to the video already, so no, me don't watch the video already, so the reaction never as authentic as me they want it to be. But you see that video? This video, bro, is you ever why it's so blurry? Yeah, so apparently in that video, bro, you know, most Bahamas them have this thing. At least they need to bring guy Jamaica, you know. If they bring this guy Jamaica, yard go a little better though. It's like a thing where then take a little youth them and bring them guy prison and like bring them guy somewhere go discipline them in a way. You see me? Like it's a discipline and everything. So I could pre all going. I don't know why video so blurry though, but
Morning. How you doing? So you here to see Jules? Easier?
hey dog, then go for George. I won't even George, dog. Then go for him.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Where is he? Good. Right.
Hey dog, go look, wait now. The way they come in at night, like you go they even know so them a come for him. I always think that they wake him up and say, yo, come with it. Trouble.
Morning. How you doing? You alright? Get up. Let's go. We're here to see you. Take your lace out of them shoes. Long as you're done.
Jaja, take your lace out of your shoes, you know, need them, man. They know why you're going there, go hang yourself. So, man, them are going to deal with him in there, man. They know why you're going there, go hang yourself. We're going to see what I got.
It was early in the morning. Mama made to tell me, like, get up, come to the front room. I walked to the front room.
You see it, me tell you, you know, your dog, nah, no, so them a come for him, you know. He nah, no, so them a come for him. Jaja, you. Dog, if the man them have this a yard, a problem, you know. Go fit, like, man them all trim him. Take you out them and bring them, go discipline them, dog. If the man never bring this a yard, a problem.
Inside the chair, and I was on the phone, and I just see these bunch of lights walking inside the house. And I see this big police officer walk inside. And I was like, wait 1 second. Where this one get off? And then he was like, take off that belt, take off them laces.
Yeah, man, I saw you know, say a prison, man, you know, from police come and say, you take off your belt, your lace, and them little thing, ne? And then a airport, you go through. Yeah, man, a prison, you go. Clip.
You going to jail? And I was like, duh.
Your belt
My
on?
bad, my side.
Take it off.
My bad. You know, I go there afraid. I wonder how I go on.
Cuff him.
Cuff him. Jaja, you would.
Straight to the back. Straight to
Yo,
the
look like say man they on an operation, dog. I'm like man them a go for more, man. When I tell you, like our next year this man them must stop again, you know.
Morning, Mr. Police. You alright? I'm here to see Vonda. Yeah. Where you going?
Yo, imagine you're in your bed, dog. Good. And police come by your yard, come knock by your door and say, oh, brother, pack up your things, them, left your phone, take off your shoes, just take out your belt, you got jail. And I'm mad at them set it up to, you know, them wicked.
Come. Come.
Come on, come. Yo, come here, man. All him ain't supposed to bust. I wonder how go on. Yeah, man, yeah, the badness of them thing I reach you. Yeah, man, the man, I need to implement something like this, I had.
Come.
Man, broke him, man.
Where your slippers?
In the closet, sir.
Which one?
Any one, sir.
Good. Let me get right there.
Full neck, sir.
Crooks, Jamaica flag. No. So I want to put a crooks in my guy, you know?
Yeah, but you should so stay.
Why? If I am mother that, your mother sexy, man. Bumbleclot. Primo my shape. If I one thing when I go get from me when I react to video, you know, me I go watch a girl them, you know.
Yeah, but you should so stay.
Watch out. My shape to the fuck.
Thank you.
Boy, are them sexy woman, they are the trouble.
You wanna know? What has happened when the police come?
I end up in short treatment
God,
because I've been fighting a lot, cursing, and I was
Man,
stealing.
them all cut them here, bro.
He's on a school trip, and me and my friend, we sitting together on one bike. He was standing by himself. So my friend say, I must go kick it off. I tell him no. He say he can record. I tell him he go do it, so he wasn't doing it, so I go and do it. I go on his face. He pushed this, pulling me waist, and then he pushed me on a slick. That's when I break loose. And then I punch him, and then my boy, he just come and he jump kick him. Then body slam him. When he's on the floor, he's kicking him and punching him.
Yeah, man, I'll be a trouble argument, man. If you beat you in a jail. And if you hold and beat you down a hell. Oh, fuck.
You're suspended for a month.
Why you stealing? Why you doing them kind of things? That's making sense. What's going on with that?
All the fear the way you have,
Stop
man,
it.
I'm going to give you scholars.
You stop? You don't have what I hear. Don't have what I hear.
It ain't real, tell it real.
Shock treatment.
It ain't real, tell it real.
Yeah, man, I have to do some bugger reaction from them video, because they just look active.
Covering the news.
Even you know say
seems
this
easy,
exists, bro.
but
We never know say how something like
into
this
what
exists in
we're
the
doing.
Caribbean. We
The
think of
Bahamas
America
Tonight
alone. I'm
access
glad them
now.
find
Here to
it.
inform,
Find it to
educate,
react to.
trends, sports,
And I buy this
Marcel-
thing, man. Bahamas, big up myself and I give me content.
Morning. How you doing? All is well?
How much yard them money I go? How much, like, man, I tell you, I was ski my youth.
Morning. How you doing?
Come on in.
We here to pick up. One time. Where you were, miss? Big guy.
Big man.
How you doing? You alright? Let's go. Get up.
Come on.
Get up. Let's go. Come on. Get up.
In good lay, I wonder how go on. Fuck.
Get up.
Come
Up on
on.
your feet. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Stop this process. Hey, take the man with your ass. Just rejoin me.
Level.
Yeah, let me have them on yourself. Come.
Come on. Come. On the left, ears ring.
To the bathroom.
You see, man still have ears ring in her ears.
When they come to me in the morning, I was still sleeping. All I know is they wake me up. Hey, get up. Cameras in my eye.
Yo.
It's a bright light.
Yeah, man, them body, all of them, you know.
They wanted me to change my pants and everything. Tell me, don't bring my belt.
Cha-cha.
I just didn't know what was going on.
What is this? What is this?
Why? What go on here, so? Police boy a fish, you know, that's why Eddie G say him have to lick down no for on the ground, you know. That's how I ban him.
What this is?
Bro, what this man all on pan in a man pants?
What is this?
Go in your pants, man.
Vape. Smoking vape? Huh?
What that vape? Say dog, so the fucky dog have vape in a underpants and then just take him out in bed. Say dog got in bed with the vape in a underpants. And the police boy they have fish to, you know, grab up him and bum buckler at underpants.
Put the sponsor on.
Why you gotta say it again?
No, you don't need that. You don't need that. You get in the cell. You get in the cell. You won't be able. You get it.
Jaja, you would. You don't need that
You
money.
get in the bed with vape in your drawers. You don't smoke that much?
Vape. Now that man said dog, him wanna say you got a bed with vape in your jaws. You love smoke that much? Brother, I no joke. That's crazy, dog. You man got in bed with vape in your underpants.
You get in the bed with vape in your drawers. You don't smoke that much? Huh?
Yo,
Hold him.
hold him. Yo, the dog broke up like this.
So, man, you move with some ace. You all tight? Hey, sit tight, sit tight. Tight. Sit tight. Big man.
Why?
Tight.
How kind of I'm telling you, be what's the man thing them boy I promote to the dog. First in the house I grab the man underpants. I know you out there so I tell the man them boss sit tight. So now I plan for fully boss. They must have plan for fully boss. Oh shit, it's a episode 1. Round them up. So the episode they have to bring them in. Oh, that a go on.
Lean back in the seat, boy. Over. Good. Good.
The biggest companies in the
Jaja,
world
you-
are willing to pay big bucks for anyone who's able to code. And you may think that's
This look like all early morning. Brother.
Where you? Front door. Where you?
And this one him a lock up.
Where you?
I can't, I look at you there a lock up. Ah! Yeah, we dog bright now, fuck. Yeah, dog, it's a little troublemaker. Dog, I'll asleep on a bed without sheet. Brother, I don't think that's
Get up,
cut
get up,
skin,
get
eh?
up, get up.
Huh? What money? What money? $12 for what? You didn't go to again, sir? Huh? What's your name? What's your slippers?
Where your
Yo.
jeans? Where your pants?
Yeah.
This man look like a little
What you
troublemaker.
crying for? Why you don't behave?
I'm gonna lie. My mommy boss one check on me. She said I can't
Go
alright.
ahead and look at him after they trim him. Yo, tell us how ear make man look different. You know? Look how your dad did look this. Go back. It don't look much different still, you know, but look how your dad look this
You crying for?
compared
Why
to
you
you.
don't
So.
I'm gonna lie. My mommy boss one check on me. She said I can't alright. So I go on to the wash. She was gonna wash all my clothes and stuff. All I hear is when inspect the phone jump for me and say, "Hey, lock up." So I
Wait,
show.
which language the man you speak? A Bahamian. What kind of languages?
It's like, all the police catch, I thought my eyes come for me to go away. Then when he walk outside, the camera in my face, and then I hear me on the phone saying, you all get him? You all get him? And then she started laughing.
Well, you know the police don't come for you if you ain't do nothing. You know that. Let's look at you. Don't touch me. You think it'd be easier to behave? Easier, right?
Bro.
Answer me.
Sure.
Think you can behave?
Sure.
You smoke? You don't? Because we can test you, you know. So it makes sense you lie. Okay.
Dog, no bad man, no your ball fan. Wicked man. Well, I want to see how they are do. I don't want to see. I need to bring them guys play so I can see how they do.
You nothing to do at home? So we use find things to do.
In the court.
Look for bed. On the court?
So?
Nothing known to do, so you just go on the court. What court you was going on? I don't think your mommy have issues with you being on the court.
That's how I fix my bonds. Make sure that on my waist.
No, don't pull that down.
No.
Where your shoes?
Inside?
Give me some slippers. That's how my bonds be. No, you can shake that. No. You can't shake that. Huh? Alright, good.
Thanks.
It ain't real, tell it real.
Jaja, my father, man, they really bring it dog down. Dog, I step through a place like a top crook. Step through a scheme. And back up be a light by you. You mean?
That's what you shouldn't want to be a part of. You understand that? It's the only thing that's come with a barge, you know. That's all the graveyard. You understand? Good route you can choose. A good route?
Them sitting there, police and if I implement a yard and stop ban bumbo plants and
straight to the
like say banning song.
So why you don't listen to your mommy? Talk to me. Lift up your head. Let's have a man to
man. Take a page
out
of Bahamas book.
Brian, so you gonna talk, right? Huh?
Tell them this at least so they can do. If
you don't know why you don't
continue but after that I just say go bro.
Lift up your head.
But when I see
you don't know why?
Even so now I do not like them things.
So why you crying? Tell me why you crying. If you don't know why you behaving,
you know, if you make it, if you don't even do it, if you make it public to some people
Lift
can
up
see.
your head.
So are you know him did this ball? Yeah man, we are seeing.
Unexpected. Okay.
So he can come back in our streets, can go on like him and a wicked man.
You had plans for us when we reach it. So we get you off guard.
Box him.
Behave yourself, right? But before you can do that, we can carry you through what has happened to people who choose not to behave. Alright?
Come man, bring you them going to deal so on how they with them in there.
Beginning Monday, September 16th. Follow nightly 11. It starts.
No, some members, some people are Bahamas. I have a brother from the Bahamas.
Yeah. Come over here, back.
This man here will go on. At least they don't come take out this man out of bed when he must sleep. At least the mother tell him say, oh, the boy never come for you, you know? So pack your bag them, prepare for go guard jail.
Yes. Right? It's a problem. Right? That's the problem too, alright? Can't go like this.
My mother, them I tell him mother say him have too much string on him. Let me put string, and go down there and use it as weapon.
Alright, we ain't going to the mall. You're going to the cell. Lock up, right? Take them lacing out, them tennis balls we had it.
Dog say, no, I got the mall, I got
Take them
the
lacing
cell.
out. Your jeans in there? Yeah, come.
Pull the lace out. Pull it. You can pull it out.
I mean, I know I was coming here, but I didn't know which day I was coming here. Me getting like people coming back here like fighting, not listening, not going to class. I mean, I was doing good for
I was doing good for a little while now. Then I started hanging around company. Things just going down there from now.
Company. With the camera going on. Boy, I think they walk serious.
Back. Morning. You gotta see Mr. Mitchell. Come.
Wake up, man. Let's go. Come on, go.
Wait, stop.
I couldn't put the shoes in the bag.
What's up? Hey, I'm there.
The slippers, he can put them on. The shoes can probably hold the hand. What you think?
Yeah, get up, big guy.
If you read so far in our video, leave a like, leave a subscribe. I don't know, bro. Help me get to 1K subs. You see me? Please and thanks. Me 50, you know. Help me get up there, bro.
I mean, when they first picked me up, I was a little confused because they didn't know where he was going. Mommy to make it seem like she's taking me on a trip or something. And
it asked him how make it look like he's ever go on a trip. Fuck yeah.
I had a little feeling she's carrying me, you know, because I don't live with her. And she's like, when I used to go with my Grammy sometimes, and she's carrying me home in the night. And she actually come out the car, she sit in the bed where he sleep. She sit there all night on her phone and trying to figure out why she there. Because she don't live with me. I ain't gonna lie, I was a little frustrated because I didn't want to come here. But she's the type of person, she ain't gonna make it seem like she bringing me up for real.
Jaja.
But it happens, so just gotta deal with it.
That one ball, you know. Even know see something like this, dog, I can say, the mommy, what the fuck, yeah, the mommy. Mommy, a clown thing, I take this thing for mommy.
Mommy trying to help you, boy.
It asks mommy trying to help you.
I tell you something, you know.
Do this, boy.
What you talking to, boy? What's the problem we have now? Put your slippers on.
I complete.
We got change.
He was
No, you're not changing going on. Say Jim. Yeah, he in his cell, yeah.
Oi, you watch UEFA Champions League? Well, it's on Paramount
Wait,
Plus.
that's-
Stream it live and
Yo.
exclusive, free for 1 week.
Yo, them bumbo
This
ads,
game.
man.
You're not ready for it.
Straight to the box, straight to the box. Listen, let me tell you something, boy. Go over, straight over. Straight, go tight.
Man, look. Boy, I love the man, and boy got tight.
Listen, let me tell you something. This ain't your mommy house. You hear me? You hear what I said? This ain't your mommy house. You can get your attitude together fast. You understand that? This ain't your
Yo.
room, brother.
Yo, if man, they bring this guy out, that trouble, you know.
Go over, tight.
Man, I tell you, man, if man, they bring something like this guy out, that problem, man.
Good.
Trouble in a John shop.
Stay shoe now. You here for your attitude, you gain your mommy your attitude in the front of the police? You smoke? I talking to you? You ain't, that's the problem.
I ain't, it's just the way you got my eyes always view at.
Yeah, you ain't. That's their shoe. We can get you together though.
Hi.
We can get you
What
together.
them a plan to do to them in there? Say we are getting together. Yo, fuck. Jaja, yo.
Huh? What are you doing? Two people involved. Open this door. What's your name is? How you all doing? All is well? Morning. Everything good? Any string in this? Cuff him.
He came to
Cuff
shop
him.
sleeping for lying, stealing, smoking, and coming home late. Like, I didn't know they was coming from me because I just wake up. I wake up like around 5 o'clock. And my old man, he'll come out the room.
You're lucky so they don't come here after 2 o'clock like what Mr. They do.
He got me put on my shirt. I thought he was going to send me to the shop. I thought he was just waiting till like the sun to come up around 6, 7. Like it was like around 6:50 or 6:40 something when the boss pull up. And I like see when the police come to my door, the cameras and everything. And I was like confused. I thought they'd come to my mommy or whatever. But they just put the cuff on me and they came me outside and put me on the bus and I gone.
Cha. Rough.
No, stay on.
Like, I want to stay on. Like, you don't leave me with no key. So they have to go like on my army. You go over there.
So why you don't listening?
Like this time?
You know, you won't be able like a child, you doing what you want to do. Then that's what's happening? Huh? I got you.
What's up?
Okay. We can fix that, alright? We can get that together. Only 2 places when you choose not to listen to your parents. 2 outcomes is what? Jail or what? The grave, right? You agree with that? Which one you want to go in? You want to go to jail? You want to go? Alright, you should choose a better path. You agree?
Yeah.
We can fix that.
Yo, one thing still. As me I say, cause video scene I get soon done. Leave a like, subscribe, right. Don't know the vibe. I gotta react to part 2, so I can look out for that. Cause I just end this and then react to part 2 same time. But yeah man, leave a like, subscribe. Get me to 1K, bro. See me? Wicked. Could see what I go on, bro. But yeah, dog, if you man ain't forget this a yard, bro, a problem, dog. This and then for video to make it worse, bro.
Alright? Don't forget.